In this video, I'm going to show you how to make crepes. Crepes are easy to make and can be used in main dishes and desserts. This plate shows a crepe topped with smoked salmon with sour cream, garnished with slices of onions and tomatoes. For dessert, the crepes can be filled with fruit preserves and whipped cream. These are the ingredients for crepes. We start with 1 cup of flour, 1½ cups of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, and 2 eggs. We start by pouring in the milk, the eggs, the salt, and oil. We add the flour, and we stir it. To cook the crepes, coat the pan lightly with oil. Fill a ladle with batter and pour it in the center of the pan. Turn the pan quickly to spread the batter evenly on the bottom of the pan. The edges always cook faster than the center. Use a knife to test whether the edges can be lifted. Then use a spatula to flip the crepe on the pan. When the crepe slides on the pan, it is done. So you must test also. Now it's done. Check the link in the description below for more delicious recipes.